Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to English Practice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English Learn, where we teach English through powerful and emotional stories. Power of positive thinking in negative situation. Once upon a time, there was a farmer, lived with his family in a small village. It was scorching summer, and not even a single drop of rain had fallen for many months. Due to the drought, their crops were withering away. The entire village was deeply saddened. Everyone was eagerly waiting for the rain, but the rain never came again. Everyone started to lose hope on the rain. One day, all the villagers decided to pray to God simultaneously at their homes. They fixed a time for it. At the agreed-upon time, the farmer, his wife, and their 6-year-old daughter gathered to pray to God. The farmer sat with folded hands, his wife and daughter beside him. With his hoarse voice, hiding tears, he prayed, "O Lord, I heard that you listen to your children's prayers. Our crops are dying. Please send rain so that we can survive." Each family member is praying to you in their own way. The little girl also prayed to God. "O Lord, my father is so upset. You can do anything, so please make it rain in our village." After some time, the prayer was finished. The farmer got up to leave for his field. Seeing him leave, the girl asked, "Where are you going, father?" "I am going to farm to do some work," the farmer replied. She quickly ran towards her father and said, "Wait, I will come with you too." She went inside and returned with an umbrella. Seeing the umbrella in her hand, the farmer asked, "Why did you bring an umbrella? Sun is already gone, and that too, it's evening time." The little girl replied, "Father, we have just prayed to God for rain. If we go without any umbrella, we will get wet when it rains." The farmer was stunned, listening to his daughter. He was amazed at his daughter's faith. He looked at the sky. It was all clear. There was no sign of clouds or rain. Then he gazed at his daughter's innocent face. In that moment, he felt a voice inside him saying, "It is good to pray, but more important is to believe that your prayer will be answered, and then act accordingly." The farmer took his daughter in his arms, kissed her on her forehead, and went to the fields, holding the umbrella in his hands. And that night, it rained like it had never before. The story of the farmer and his little daughter teaches us a vital lesson about belief. Many times in our life, whenever we are going through hard times or adversity, our belief starts to waver and we become hopeless. But in this story, during a severe drought, the entire village prayed to God for rain, but their hearts were filled with doubt. But the little girl brought an umbrella, showing firmly that she believed the rain would come. Belief is crucial in our lives. It forms the foundation of our dreams and goals. So guys, all members should be positive, even when you are in a critical condition or a negative situation. Thank you.